Okay, today we're gonna take a look real quick. I'm gonna do a quick walkthrough of this new foreclosure that just got listed. Now, this property is listed a lot higher than I thought they should list it for, but it looks like it's gonna be another situation where I really open my mouth and inserted my foot. I didn't give it nowhere near the value of this list price. I think it's $93,600, so $93,000. We've been on the market a couple of days. They have like a 10-day window where they won't entertain any offers. And we're not there yet, but there is already a couple offers in. It kind of shocks me, to be honest with you. Though this is a good central location, this is a cul-de-sac, so there's no really through traffic. This is zoned for mobile homes, so you could add a mobile home to this lot. When you could build a driveway right here, and you've got all this space back here. But this house needs a ton of work. I mean, it just needs a buttload of work. And the biggest issue is going to be the roof and all the damage the roof caused. Let's take a walk and look on the inside. So this is aluminum siding, which this siding is going to need to be either painted or replaced. I mean, I don't know if it's even worth painting over it, but it's pretty dirty. Got a little utility room closet here. Here's your kitchen. It's got a little dining room with a little built-in shelf. You got a little living room area. And here's your guest full bath. This is going to need total renovation right here. I mean, might as well just gut this and redo it, make it nice. But 3-bedroom, 2 full bath. Now, one of the problems is you've got some of your original windows. Those all need to be replaced. Luckily, the house is on circuit breakers and does have copper wiring, but you can see the original single pane shitty windows. These floors need to be all refinished. And this would be your master bedroom. And you've got some ceiling damage and other issues here from the roof. This is your master bath. It needs a lot of work. A lot of that decking is going to have to be replaced in the roof. This thing needs to be gutted. I mean, this is a nasty mess. It does have a huge walk-in closet, which, I mean, you could make a little nursery, you could make a little office, and you can make something out of this room, but huge closet. All right, well, that's basically the inside of this house. You can see what all it's going to need. I mean, besides the roof, a lot of cosmetics, a lot of holes in the wall, windows. Your electrical should be good. Your plumbing should be good. You're going to probably need a new HVAC. These cabinets are kind of beat up. I'll redo all this because this looks like shit. Now, one of the bonuses to this property, besides it being almost a full acre and it's flat, is you've got this concrete block garage with a slab. Now, you got some roof damage, but you fix this roof up, you've got a nice little workshop area here. Like I said, it's concrete block, so it's good to go. It's really nice, nice little bonus. But like I said, roughly this is listed at $93,000, and it's going to need a ton of work. And your after repaired value on this property is probably right under $200K. I think on the fair side. If you had this house fixed up really nice, all cute, all new, all modern, on this lot in this location with the detached garage, you've also got this area, but this is where I think the roof's in really bad shape. Let's see if I can see it. But like I said, this sits on a concrete slab, so really nice. This house just needs a ton of work.